The E2 error code on a Black & Decker portable washing machine indicates a drainage problem. This error occurs after the machine attempts to drain water for 10 minutes. Common causes of this error include a clogged or kinked drainage hose, where debris can get stuck inside the pipe, or the hose becomes kinked if it's looped or rolled up for an extended period. Another cause is an elevated drainage hose, which shouldn't be higher than 1 meter, as this can strain the drain pipe and impede the drainage process. A damaged drainage pump can also be the culprit, where debris or malfunctioning parts prevent the pump from draining water efficiently. To fix the E2 error, start by unclogging and unkinking the drainage hose. Begin by powering off the machine, unplugging it, and pulling it away from the wall. Detach the hose from the drain pipe and use a flashlight to inspect it. For minor clogs, use hot water and baking soda to dissolve the blockage, or use a drain auger for more serious clogs. Once the clog is cleared, reattach the hose and test the machine. To unkink the hose, follow similar steps, then gently straighten it. If the kink persists, apply heat using a hair dryer or warm water, and use soap or vegetable oil to lubricate the tangled area. Additionally, ensure the drainage hose is not elevated too high. Move the machine away from the wall. Check the height of the hose, and adjust it according to the manual's recommendations. Plug in the machine and test it. If the issue lies with the damaged pump, you may need to replace it. Start by unclogging the washing machine and disconnecting the drainage hose. Then, lay the machine on its front face. Remove the old drain pump and install a new one. Reattach the drainage hose. Stand the washer up and test it. Note that replacing the drainage pump may require a technician's assistance.